The FRANKIA Titan is a very attractive motorhome, very well built. To a large extent, it is a vehicle which is built to order. This thing here is going to cost nearly 200,000 euros. It's 786 centimeters long, 230 wide. It's got a height of 318. Put in a 5.5 ton basis, they'll give you a stack of payload. It's got 203 centimeters of clearance inside, and it's got a double floor. This gives you an idea of what it looks like, and I think it's quite a magnificent vehicle. Now, there's a number of points which I'm going to tell you about. There's going to be a stack of points I'm going to forget to tell you about, so I hope that you'll bear with me. And of course, you will consider looking at the description, which I hope that I will have written something there. So, German layout. But before I go into the German layout, I just do want to point out one thing. We've got the steps which go up here. But if you don't want to step up here, you might want to get into your wardrobe. So for that point, you push this up like that, and then you've got this absolutely magnificent wardrobe. Look at that space there. Now this isn't a new idea by Frankia. Niesman Bishop started doing it a number of years ago, but to me, as a person who occasionally puts on an iron shirt and has to wear a tie and a suit, or don't have to, I suppose, but I do, then I think that's great. I know that most people who are on campsites don't tend to have to wear ties and suits, but I know I wouldn't be seen by the pool without an Italian handcrafted silk suit on. That's just me. I mean, I know not everybody does that. Anyway, here we have the steps up, and let's put in the bit for the German layout. Well, if you want to make a German layout, you want to make the bed bigger, you do have a plate actually to stop. Oh, can't do this with one hand. That's me. Oh, there we go. I'll just stick it in like that. I'll just have to pretend, right? You've got the bed. The bed comes out like that. That sticks in there. You put the plate out to stop it, but I can't do it all with one hand. I always said I would have three. If I'd been born an octopus, I wouldn't have had these difficulties. A little bit of storage over here. Well, is it storage? Well, I don't even call it storage now. That is the glycol for the Alde heating system, and I think you have to top it up from time to time. I mean, I top mine up. Unfortunately, topping mine up is not as easy as topping this one up, even though it was my own design. So, well, didn't quite work out how to top it up easily. So got some storage all the way around, as you can see, and there's a bit of a ledge on that. You've got a place up there for keeping magazines or pockets or I don't know, whatever you want to take the bed with you, books, glasses. Here we've got the lights, and here we've got a door. The door won't come out. Why not? Because it's locked here. And there we bring the door out like that. And the second one should also come out as well. It doesn't want to come out. There's probably a reason why it doesn't want to come out, but I don't know what it is. Yeah. Anyway, it's supposed to come out. It's supposed to double up, so they've got it comes up to the very end. Here we have this magnificently large shower, and it's got 2 drainage holes in it. Great thing. They're the wrong size. Not such a great thing. Sorry, not the wrong size, they're the right size. Sorry, I take that back. Here we've got the toilet. Close the door here, and this enormous toilet. Yeah, and you can see me in the mirror, and you can because through that you can see how much space there is above me for the shower. Shower's quite magnificent, really. Alde heating in the toilet, and look at this flat floor all the way back. And with that storage, doesn't it look good? great having a bit of storage. Here we've got 3 burners. Kitchen is wonderful, and sink with a domestic drainage. Actually, there's a tap. You see the glasses up there, storage all the way around, and under as well, including a pull-out pantry. Note, it's got proper walls to the drawers. Lounge. The table will actually grow by a factor of about another third on top of what is already out, so it's quite large. Face-to-face arrangement in the lounge, and the coming forward here. One thing I note, we've got a door at this side, which there seems to be far more doors now than there was a couple of years ago. Personally, I'd rather not have a door at that side, but I know there are those of you who'd rather have a door at that side. There is a blind, which is here, which comes down. Now, you can either have one which is manual, or it can be one which is electronic, or electric. Comes down electrically, and that is an option. And also there's blinds for the windows here. Here we've got a little bit of storage, and now one thing. I'll mention the fridge as well. Fridge, okay, it's nothing. It's quite standard. Fridge which opens both ways. There's the freezer, there's the fridge, and there is the oven. Oh, it's more of a grill than an oven. I can't recall an oven, because you can't get chicken in there. You can get a pizza in the pizza maker. There you go. Pull-out pantry. Now, what I really want to talk about is the floor. You've got this double floor. All the technical stuff is in the floor. I'll lift this up there. You can see some technical stuff down there. And down here, when you come in, you might want to leave your shoes in the deep double floor. And just to demonstrate how deep it is, I'm going to come round here and put my leg in it. So there's my leg in there. And it comes up almost to the bottom of my knee. So you can see that's a huge amount of storage you can actually get in there. In here we will find the Aldi heating system. Now, 200,000 euros. Somebody would say, yeah, it's the price of a house. Unfortunately, mine isn't worth anywhere near that, and no chance of me selling my house to get one of these. Although I couldn't really, because I couldn't drive the thing. So, whereas I do have a license that permits me to drive it, it's just too big. Got a double what do you call it? 2 wheels on the back, double axle. Here, pull out. It says here maximum 100 kilos. I know it's gonna be hard to find 100 kilos. Well, no, maybe it wouldn't be hard. And huge garage also at the rear. I think this is a really magnificent vehicle. Anyway, I think I really do like I like the motorhome. Sorry, I like the ones at the top end of the range. The camper vans I think are awful, but the I think the motorhomes are really good. This one has got an Indus system in it. So now see, this is Frankia started to use this system from Thetford. Rather than go into how it works here, I'll try and remember to put a link. And if I haven't done it, then write a comment. I haven't put the link in. I'll put a link to the Indus system, because I have done videos on it, on how it actually works. It's a way of using the water again, so the water goes through the system once more. And here we can see the double floor in action, so to speak. You can see all this space, and here we've got, that's the space under the chairs, which can also be used for storage. So there you go, Frankia Titan motorhome at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. And thanks very much for being here and watching this. You might want to subscribe. I upload every 21:15, and sometimes I even put 2 videos up at the weekend, sometimes do lives. And so all the best from me in Germany.
Genau, jetzt hat man seine Ruhe, kann sich alles gut anschauen.
Danke.